Hi, this is the SONY Xperia XA2 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first launch Gmail application and then tap on the right upper corner. To log out from Gmail account in Gmail app, we should first log out from Google account on our device. And to do that, click to manage accounts on this device. Tap to your account and click remove account button twice. Are you sure? Tap to OK. If you use some protect methods on your device, enter the password and just drag the button. And now in Google account settings, we just successfully log out from the Google account. So let's go back to the Gmail app and we could see that we also successfully log out from the Gmail application. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.